Here in Caratunk, we got a mail drop from our friends Rob and Jessica. They sent us some cookies. Actually, Jessica sent us some cookies. It was very nice of her. Some trail mix. Some Ziploc bags. That's very handy for us. These little treats I'm going to have to get into the next mile or so. Nice little note. We got our chocolate peanut butter finally. Can't find it when we need it, and then when we need it, we can't find it. And then Rob's the jokester, and he sent me a little memento to carry on the rest of my journey. So thanks, Rob and Jessica.
We're walking back to the trailhead in Caratunk, having just been at the post office, and Brandon has secured his little ornament to his bag there. He's pretty proud of that. We climbed up Pleasant Pond Mountain.